e-ImageData introduces the future of blipped film, the revolutionary ScanPro i9300 microfilm scanner. Employing patented, cutting-edge technology, the i9300 brings your image-marked or blipped film into the digital age. We know that conventional blipped film scanners are large, aging, complex units that are costly to maintain. The ScanPro i9300 is the solution you've been waiting for. At only a fraction of the size, it is simple in its design, easy to use, and virtually maintenance-free. The i9300 supports searching, scanning, and printing of 1, 2, and 3-level film, both simplex and duplex. It also supports custom film formats, all with accuracy never before achieved in a blipped film scanner. How is the i9300 so accurate? It begins with the way your film is manually threaded into our precision guide film rollers. Gone are the days of film threading failures and film damage caused by conventional equipment. The film transport system of the ScanPro i9300 is fully accessible, making threading quick and reliable without the threat of film damage. The precision guide film rollers tightly control the microfilm's movement, ensuring the most precise image search on the market. With your film safely loaded, you'll be pleasantly surprised with how easy it is to set up the i9300 for your film format. Unlike conventional equipment, which requires entering complex keypad sequences to switch from one blipped film format to another, the i9300 utilizes just a single click. Simply select the button that corresponds to the type of film you are using, and the i9300's film selection wizard automatically configures all settings to match your blipped film format. In addition, all of the controls for the i9300 are presented on your computer screen, eliminating the separate keypad and resulting desk clutter of other blipped film units. The i9300 Image Mark Sensing, or IMS software, is intuitive, making it quick to learn and easy to use. A click of the Load button advances the film to the first image. To retrieve a desired image, simply enter the image address and click Search, Scan, or Print. The film transport system quickly and accurately completes the task. You are able to search for, scan, or print a single image, a range of images, multiple ranges, or any combination thereof. The i9300 can perform multiple tasks automatically and also straightens and crops each image before saving or printing. The ScanPro i9300 is built on the ScanPro 3000 platform, giving you the benefit of its 26-megapixel camera with USB 3.0 interface. This is nearly twice the optical resolution of any other microfilm scanner on the market and gives you the clearest image possible. Not only is the ScanPro i9300 the future of blipped film, it can also view, scan, and print fiche, 16mm and 35mm roll film, aperture cards, and micro-opaques, making it the only truly universal microfilm scanner on the market. So regardless of what your microfilm collection contains, know that the easy-to-use ScanPro i9300 has you covered. e-ImageData's ScanPro i9300. Precise, powerful, universal. For more information, visit your local reseller or go online to e-imagedata.com.